Hi guys, welcome back to our channel High Tech Group. My name is Raman Sharma and today I have brought a property which is in Sushant Lok 3, 418 square yards, 4 BHK, ready to move in property. So let's start the virtual tour of this property. So this is the drawing area, and with the drawing area you will be getting a beautiful wallpaper and of course two ACs by the company Daikin. So now we are entering into the first room. The first room and the drawing room is attached to the front balcony. In this room also you will be getting a very beautiful wallpaper. And this is the attached washroom with the walk-in closet, and the size of the washroom is quite huge, and as well as the room sizes are also very spacious. So if you take exit from this room, this is the front balcony. As this floor is around 418 square yards, so the balcony size will be very huge, it will be very spacious, and the location is also amazing, and the front balcony is attached with the drawing area also. So this is the drawing area, and you will be getting Italian marble in the drawing, dining and in the kitchen area, and of course in all the rooms you will be getting luxurious style. As we take exit from the first room, this is the main entry of the floor. You will be getting a video door phone, and of course this is the lobby area. In this you will be getting a glass paneling on the wall. And now we are entering into the dining area. As soon as we enter into the dining area, this is the kitchen. So the kitchen is totally modular. You will be getting a hob and chimney with the kitchen. This is the space for the microwave and oven. This is the pantry area. The size of the pantry area is very nice. And this is the washing area. So the builder has provided hydraulics in the cabinet. So there is a soft open and close. So the finishing of the kitchen is amazing. And this is the space for the refrigerator. As we take exit from the kitchen, this is the dining area. And the builder has provided AC in the dining area also. So there are two AC in the drawing area. In the dining area, there is one AC. So the second room is quite spacious. And this is the wallpaper that you will be getting in the second room. At present, the builder has used this room as an office space or a meeting space. You will be getting a walk-in closet in the second room, and there is the washroom of it. As we take exit from the second room, now we are entering to the third room. I don't think so this floor has a master bedroom because each and every room is equally spacious. So this is the washroom of the third room. The size of the washroom in this room also is quite spacious. This is the walk-in closet. So the builder has made closet in the washroom so that the room size did not get sacrificed. So as we take exit from the third room, we come to the back balcony. So in the back balcony, second room and the third room and the kitchen is attached. So the back balcony is also quite spacious and quite big. So now we are entering into the fourth room. I'll repeat myself, each room is equally spacious. So you will be getting LED lights in the closet, and the company of the closet is Godrej. So each and everything in this floor is of a branded company, so no need to worry about the quality construction. The fourth room is also attached with the balcony. So in a nutshell, all the rooms has been attached with the balcony. So this is the main USP of this floor. This is the washroom of the fourth room, which is connected with the dining area also. This washroom can be called as powder room. So the fittings in all the washroom in this floor is of Jaguar company. So guys, I hope you have loved the property. If you really want to visit this property, then please book your visit at 89290-28000. In case if you are finding another kind of property also in different square yards or in different area, then please do contact us. We'll help you to find the right property according to your budget, preference and location. Please contact us 89290-28000. So in this property, two middle floors are left, and the price of middle floors are in the description box. All the prices are negotiable. So guys, if you have loved the tour of this property, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel High Tech Group. We'll be bringing you these kind of options each and every week. This is Raman Sharma signing off. Bye, take care, love you.